All right, welcome back. Very quick update. This is the DIY tablet, kind of a bonus video since I already sort of closed off the project. But a couple of things that have been improved that were bothering me a bit. So I used to power the switch mode power supply with 12 volts, and then it used to drop it to 3.9 just to emulate a LiPo battery. I've now added a micro USB port so you can just use it as a regular dev board and power it using that. And again, that also drops it to 3.9 from 5 volts, so about a volt drop. But it's necessary to emulate a battery, and that's what I am doing in order to make this work. So the other thing is the buttons were on the other end right there, and they were kind of mushy. Actually, a lot mushy, not just kind of. They were getting a bit difficult to work with, so I added my own. These are very tactile, clicky, and work really well. So, just to show you guys quickly, I will power it on. Not a lengthy demo though. Can see the screen right there. I'll bring that in focus as well. So now when it powers on, you can see. I'll add that there, and we'll hold the power switch for about 5 seconds, move it, and it should now show up on the display. Yep. And there we go. There's some artifacting though. I'm not entirely sure what's happening. Could be that the resolution is mismatching or something like that, but it works. um Displays into happy, and the output on this is fixed. There's no EDID control or anything like that, so that's not being adjusted entirely, but it's powering on. And that's about it. Let's power it off. So this kind of finalizes the hardware on this. Now all I need to do is get like a mainline kernel running with a much later rootfs. It's I think running Ubuntu 14.04 from the mass board, but the kernel is extremely old and the upstream kernel does have support for mass board, so I am going to go ahead and try that. Apart from that, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.